you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm obviously Kalin Bhaiya and you guys are watching Mirzapur. Well, no kidding, I'm Swagata Dev. Welcome back if you guys are back here. Wow dude, you really have some patience this time. So मेरा चेहरा आज इतना फीका फीका लग रहा है because I have not put anything on apart from like lipstick, lip gloss, eyeliner and yeah, I'm shameless. Obviously today's video is a makeup, not a makeup video, it is also a makeup brand review video. I'm very excited. मैंने आप लोगों से पूछा था to suggest me names of Indian brands which are super affordable just so I could have fun. But उसके बाद जब मैंने दिमाग पे थोड़ा जोर लगाया and I thought about it, how mean I am by doing this because to make a brand, I'm sure एक इंसान को कितना slog करना पड़ा होगा, साल का मेहनत, उसके बाद आ जाते हैं मेरे जैसे YouTube creators और ऊपर से मेरे जैसे मतलब मैं जिसको लगे सिर्फ 5 मिनट ये वाला अकाउंट बनाने में और ऊपर से मैं दे रही हूँ एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस. आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है, मैं देती हूँ एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस जो कि इतना ही आलसी है जो अपने खुद के वीडियोस भी स्क्रिप्टिंग नहीं करता. आई जस्ट लाइक टेक माई कैमरा इन द मॉर्निंग एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट ब्लैबरिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. सो यू कैन डिसाइड हाउ सीरियसली यू वांट टू टेक मी. आई एम स्टिल गोइंग टू स्वॉच दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड टेल यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ आई फील अबाउट देम. समझे? अगर आप यहाँ तक मेरी बकबक सुन के पहुंच चुके हो and you still haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe to the channel because मेरे बिल्कुल भी subscribers नहीं है. I have almost all the products from Inside Cosmetics to do like a full face. जो नहीं है मेरे पास वो उस टाइम पे नहीं थे जब मैं वेबसाइट में चेक कर रही थी. These are very affordable guys. इनका प्राइस रेंज है अराउंड 150, 160 to 300, 350. That is the price range cap. And मैंने 160 रुपये का फाउंडेशन जिंदगी में चेहरे पे नहीं लगाया. And I'm really hoping if something happens, no, I'm sure nothing will happen. Yeah, what's gonna happen? Max to max breakouts आएंगे कुछ. I don't know why I do this to myself. Like the brand is pretty popular. I'm really sure that a few of the products might go amiss, but a few of them will go really hit. So let's see which one goes hit and which one goes amiss. So let's get started with the video right now. Okay, so the first product we have is the Makeup Essentials Primer. This is supposed to be a 3-in-1 primer. Primes, protects and moisturizes. 240 rupees. And it has this silicone-y texture like the no color one, not the tinted sort of primer. Okay, I will have to say this, it has worked. It's definitely blurred out my pores. Okay, most of the claims here might be correct apart from the oily part. It does feel a little like the feeling post you touch hair serum, so वो थोड़ा सा है. Apart from that, I do see it working and it's 240 rupees guys. To see how well the primer actually works, I think we have to go ahead and do the foundation. Now the foundation bit is a little bit of a joke because shades. Let's not go there. I know every YouTuber that ever makes a video on a brand, especially an Indian brand, always has complained about the shades, and especially someone like me जिसका रंग पहले से ही बहुत ज़्यादा एवरेज इंडियन रंग हो रखा है. हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो जाता है जब ब्रांड्स के पास नहीं होते हैं काले शेड्स. आई थिंक इट्स विद पीपल दैट दे आर रियली ऑब्सेस्ड विद फेयर स्किन कि वो लोग नहीं खरीदते अपने शेड का फाउंडेशन. आई थिंक इट्स दैट. Can't blame it on the brand actually. Moving ahead, ये दोनों जो है दो different ranges के हैं from the same brand obviously Inside के. This is the liquid foundation and this is the matte foundation. Now these two are the darkest I could find in the website. Website अभी बात करिए या बाद में बात करिए? ठीक है, बता ही देती हूँ. Okay, so website में ना आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा, ना products का shades, nothing. There are no swatches and nothing. Like आप एक लाइट शेड पे प्रेस करोगे उधर इंफॉर्मेशन में लिखा है कि दिस इज फॉर वार्म टोन, डार्कर टोन. आप एक जाके डार्क टोन पे क्लिक करोगे वो बताएंगे कि दिस इज फॉर व्हिटिश टू फेयर. माई हेड, ऑनेस्टली माई हेड वॉज अबाउट टू, you know how I managed to order these by assuming through the names. जहाँ पे भी मुझे ना golden, caramel, honey ऐसे वाले words दिखे ना वो usually dark skin colors के लिए होते हैं. So वो देख के मैंने order करा. So these two are the darkest from the both ranges. On one side, I'm going to use the matte one, the Makeup Essentials Stay Matte Liquid Foundation. It's supposed to be oil-free, full coverage, matte finish, studio finish, paraben-free. And it costs 210. Alright, so we are going to do it in this side of my face. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा दिया क्या? Let's see. Before I do the other side also, let me tell you this. मेरा foundation बहुत ashy होने वाला है because none of them match my complexion. We are gonna just base them on texture and not on color. Okay dude, I'm gonna have to say this, finish बहुत अच्छा है. It does not look like a cheap tacky foundation at all. It is definitely blendable, buildable भी है, but it is not full coverage. That's not really true. I have a little patch issue here and here, and I have applied a lot of the foundation and it's not completely gone. Alright, now we're gonna do this side of my face with the ultra thin second skin longwear foundation. Is it just me, or did that just sound like Durex guy? I should just shut up already. I was actually really intrigued because of this dropper system. ये मैंने MAC में use किया हुआ है, but not in any other brand. So I just wanted to see how this like, you know, it's supposed to give me a good sheer coverage. I think, however, यहाँ पे ना लिखा हुआ है कि it's SPF 15 and full coverage, which doesn't actually happen with like liquid formulas. But I don't know what to expect from this one. This finish, it's feeling really nice. Like when I look at it here in the mirror, dewy, थोड़ा सा glowy, पर full coverage तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, वो तो बहुत ही थोड़ा झूठ था. Like full coverage नहीं है यार. I mean, यहाँ पे मेरे मार्क्स स्पॉट से ये नहीं जा रहे, एंड आई डू नॉट इवन एक्सपेक्टेड टू टेक माई मार्क्स एंड डॉट्स. ये जो दिया है ना 160 रुपीज़ में, मोर देन इनफ, मेरे को सही लग रहा है. पर इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे मेरा थोड़ा सा एक पैच हो गया. सो बिफोर एनीवन नोटिसेस दैट, आई थॉट आई वुड क्लियर दैट आउट. आई ऑलरेडी हैव ड्राई स्किन, सो दैट कुड बी इट, और थोड़ा ड्राइंग ज़्यादा. So before we dive further into this video, let me just hold up here and tell you that I will be super stupid if I try to compare these products with like MAC, Smashbox वगैरह, because obviously यार like price point is so affordable that I understand the quality, the process and everything. So उसके हिसाब से मुझे अभी तक काफ़ी ठीक लग रहा है. So the next product I have are concealer. इसका नाम है 2X Cover Master Concealer by Insight Makeup Essentials. This is just the Insight Makeup Essentials concealer. This is in the shade Yellow Ochre and this is in the shade Rich Tan. Now ये वाला concealer मैंने accidentally या I think जानबूझ के बहुत ही ज़्यादा dark shade में order कर दिया. I ordered this one on the basis of undertone because I have a yellowish undertone. So अगर shade भी ना जाए तो at least undertone तो match करेगा. So let's see how that works. This one I will be able to use under my eyes, but this one is very dark. This is the Rich Tan shade, so I'm going to use it in the contouring area. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, alright, ये वाले foundation के ऊपर actually खराब नहीं लग रहा है. It's looking good, but I will have to tell you that the product is a tad little oily, so I don't mind it because I already have very dry skin. Since it's not like a very high end material or like whatever you call it, so क्या होता है कि ना आप जब इसको ज़्यादा डैप करते हो, so it comes off with whatever you are using it with. ऐसे products को ना finger से use करने से best application मिलता है. About the oily part, I think you can pretty much tell what I was talking about. I kind of liked it. It does show up. It is really blendable, very very creamy. Now coming to the 2X Cover Master Concealer. So इसका price है 110 rupees. Pretty much looks like a lipstick. Okay, I know that I'm not supposed to contour with the concealer, but you know. Okay, let me explain this to you. So it does not just look like a matte lipstick, it also has the qualities of a matte lipstick. It sort of dries out very quick. Okay, now I understand the thing with the 2X Cover Master. This will be good for spot concealing. This is not something that I would look at for like a blendable coverage वगैरह. This one will definitely conceal spots properly, I'm sure, because coverage बहुत अच्छा है. Okay dude, now this translucent powder though, the translucent face powder in the natural beige. Now when you hear natural beige, बहुत ही neutral सा tone लगता है ना, but it is very, okay, I'll open and I'll show it to you. It is yellow. It is like literally yellow. I admit इस वाले वीडियो में मेरे shades को छोड़ दो आप लोग. None of the shades are gonna match. Now I suddenly got ashy. Now I'm going yellow or orange. So let's just base this on the formula as well.
Oh no! Shouldn't have smelled that.
No shade, but this definitely smells like होली वाले रंग. I obviously don't like to bake, you all know it. I'm just gonna take it around and across, and yes, my face has turned orange. Alright, my under eyes have turned into colors of a wild monkey's buttocks, but apart from that, texture wise, it's looking pretty. So I don't even know what to say about this. I hate the color, guys. If you get anything apart from natural beige, take it. Also, yeah, the smell definitely exists. After a lot of all of that, I'm gonna tell you the favorite product of mine which we have officially reached the stage to apply. This is the Duo 2-in-1 stick by Insight Makeup Essentials. They have this structure telling you wherein you can apply, कहाँ आपको apply करना चाहिए ये product. So that is very thoughtful. Insight Cosmetics, nice, well done, good job. This is definitely my favorite product out of the whole lot. I took it while I was traveling, hence why it looks a little bit like this. I have destroyed it. थोड़ा सा मतलब मैंने यूज 2 बार ही किया है लेकिन डिस्ट्रॉय तो कर दिया. Very blendable, very precise, and I'll tell you what else I love about it, the highlighter. Let me show you the color of the highlighter. It's very beautiful and very, very subtle, just the way I like it. Absolutely not the crazy sort of, you know, highlighter. It's just a very beautiful silver glow. I love it. And if you want to get anything out of my recommendation, this is definitely the one product that I'll recommend. It is 190 rupees at the Duo 2-in-1 stick. A very beautiful. Alright, the next product we have is the Insight Makeup Essentials Super Lasting Supreme Eyeliner. Very sturdy, very nice. Packaging wise बहुत अच्छा है यार 145 rupees के लिए. You get this very, very sturdy, nice holder out here, and this is very, very patla, बहुत thin है. So I'm guessing we will get like a very nice. So I have already used the sketch liner from Insight Cosmetics. मेरा वाला काफी अच्छा था. I definitely do recommend that one. Like 3-4 महीने तक चल गया without drying out, so I have no complaint. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. As I said कि मैं किसी भी brand के साथ compare नहीं करने वाली, but this one according to the price point, Lakme का जो 100 rupees वाला होता है, I believe that one is still a little better than this one. Moving on to the mascara. Damn dude, this is like बहुत इन्वेस्ट किया है पैकेजिंग में, है ना? मतलब बहुत नहीं, मतलब इन्वेस्ट किया होगा. आई मीन इट लुक्स रियली नाइस एंड ऑल दैट. अच्छा है ना? आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग. ये पार्कर पेन वाला पैकेजिंग नहीं लग रहा है जो हम टीचर्स डे में अपने टीचर्स को पकड़ाते थे. लुक्स. आई फॉरगॉट टू यूज द आई शैडो. Now they do not have an eyeshadow palette, ठीक है? They sell these in 125 rupees ऐसे छोटे छोटे eyeshadow pigments. It doesn't really make sense कि 125 rupees में आपको ऐसा एक pigment मिल रहा है जो कि glittery pigment भी नहीं है. It's just like a eyeshadow pigment. उससे बेहतर आप 500 रुपए का एक पूरा पैलेट ले लो. I think Lakme वगैरह में भी आ जाता है. Like so ऐसा सेपरेट कलर्स खरीद के मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा मतलब फ़ायदा या फिर सेंस नहीं मेक कर रहा है. सो आई एम रियली होपिंग Insight Cosmetics comes up with their eyeshadow palette really soon, because the formulation of this, I don't mind it. Alright, getting back to the mascara. I know I'm stupid. You can take your time to laugh. हो गया? Okay, let's do this. 2 coats लगा लिए इस mascara के from the very bottom, like एकदम precisely अच्छे से. And I'm disappointed. Do you see it? Like I really thought कि packaging इतना अच्छा है तो मतलब mascara भी शायद अच्छा हो जाएगा, लेकिन it's just not curling my mascara at all. Finally curler मिल गया. बहुत ढूंढना पड़ा, नहीं मिल रहा था, but I finally got it. And yet again, you have to trust me, I was not going to say anything ulta pulta about any of these products. Honestly, my lashes are just the exact same flat, बस ऊपर में एक coating लग गया और coating ने कुछ किया भी नहीं. Alright guys, moving on to the last product. I tried to find a blush in their website. There were none. I don't think they have any at the moment, or maybe they do. I maybe couldn't find it. We'll see about that बाद में. However, moving on to the last product, the lipsticks. They had like 3 different ranges of lipstick. Okay, one was the liquid matte, then there's this another matte, and then there's this satin sort of a finished lipstick. So let's begin with the satin one because it's going to be easier to like remove. I was really intrigued with this one because they said that it has like a metallic sheen to it. Early 2000s में हमारे मम्मी लोग जो लगाते थे the metallic shine lipsticks, I thought they didn't exist anymore, but apparently they do. Okay, so the next one we have is the matte lipstick long wear true color. I actually bought this only for the color. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था website में. Let's see if it still looks the same. I really like it. Let's check out the claims. Super long lasting, that I think we will have to see. High color payoff, true. Glides flawlessly, true, not a lie. Soft matte finish, like it's not exactly matte, थोड़ा सा satin है, but I have no complaints. I like it. It's looking pretty nice actually. इस particular range के सारी shades ऐसे bold colors में है, which is really nice. I really love the shades. Dude, it costs 80 rupees. Did I just put on a lipstick that costs 80 rupees and I did not dislike it? Light is actually gone right now, so we are depending on the side lights that I have. They're not that good, let me warn you. And we have moved it down to the absolute last thing that I have, this particular lipstick. This is the non-transfer matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, and let's see how it looks. Wow, really want you guys to remember how this looks. Matlab, I hate liquid matte lipsticks that are inexpensive because they feel really bad on the lips, okay, really bad. They have to be above 600 to feel good if they're liquid mattes. For me, that's my personal opinion. But ye na itna inexpensive hai and it's still not feeling bad on my lips. That is extremely weird. I mean, I like it. Definitely transfer proof, color payoff काफी अच्छा है. The matte lipstick, really nice. Please, I request, do not judge me on the basis of this particular makeup. This is the worst makeup I have done in the longest time. Obviously कुछ color वाला कुछ match नहीं कर रहा है on my face because of n number of reasons that we already know. I want to finish off this on a good note and tell you of the products that I actually really liked. मुझे ये दोनों lipsticks काफी पसंद आए, ये वाला और ये वाला. Formulation बहुत अच्छा था. They were comfortable, felt nice. Coming to this one, the concealer, this was also kind of nice. The list of favorites, I also have the primer. It actually works. It is not a bad primer. If you want something, a primer at a low cost, I think this would be a good one to go for. My most favorite one, my recommendation to you guys, the Duo Stick. It's very nice, go for it. Topping the list of the product that I absolutely did not like was the mascara. I'm sure you guys could understand from the way I made faces while I was applying this. No, I'm seriously not kidding you guys, it is not good. Second on the list of this has to be this eyeliner, which is not actually bad, it's just okay-ish. I don't really mind it, but it's not, you know what I mean, right? Now third comes the translucent face powder. I know it's inexpensive and all. The texture is not particularly bad, but some reason I still don't really like it, especially because of the scent and all that, I think. Obviously we did not talk about the foundations because they are going to have a wear test. I'm gonna come back after another couple of hours and that's how we're gonna end the video. Alright you guys, it's now 11 PM and I've had the makeup on for about like 5-6 hours and I have to show you this really fascinating thing. I'm really confused about this, alright? So I didn't believe it when I touched it and saw myself, but there is no, like literally the matte side, there is nothing left. I do not know whether the foundation has been sucked by my skin or it just flew away with the air. I have no clue, and I think they wrote it in the packaging that it's supposed to stay like 24 hours. But yeah, in the liquid side the foundation is still there, kind of there. It's sheer but it's kind of there. The finish still looks almost decent in this one. However, because of the quality, the ladies who are not habituated to using inexpensive foundation as such, and if you have sensitive skin, I will not really recommend this because I got little bumps in my skin. I'm assuming since I've been wearing this particular foundation for a very long time, like I've been keeping it on for almost 5 hours, and I really need to take it off because I can see some bumps in here. So if you have sensitive skin, I will not recommend you the 160 rupees that one, the sheer one. That's all you guys, shifting back to the video. So if you watched till here guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video and I'm gonna see you with another video really soon. If you have any other recommendations for things you want to see, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. Anything actually, just feel free to drop them in the comments below. And please do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.